Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to join in Slack. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically there are two ways so you can join Slack. So either you can join someone's workspace or you can simply create your own workspace and from there you can start like inviting other people. And basically, to get invited, all you will be needing to do to have like the owner of the workspace or any member to send you an invite. How they can do that? So, for example, they can just simply click on the working space uh, icon, and from there you can click on it, and basically you will be able to start managing by adding more people. And simply, they need just to click on the name, and you can invite people to your working space. Otherwise, you can create your own working space by going to the slack.com website, and from there you will be able to start creating your working space. And of course, you will be needing like to create or to buy a plan or the premium version, or you can simply use the free trial. So you can simply click on create a new working space. From there, you will be needing to add your working email, or you can simply log in with your Google account or Apple account, and from there you click on continue, and then they will take you to the page where you can add the name of your working space. In my case, I just named it tutorial, and basically you click on continue, and now you have your working space and you have successfully joined Slack. And basically you will be able to start managing your working space easily by going like for example to your home, and from there you can start creating channels and start like uh, even going to each channel, and from there you can like invite people to it, or like you can add other members to it. For example, if it was um, private channel, and you can simply uh, manage it, you can do whatever you'd like, add canvas, workflows, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.